Welcome to Mishry Reviews. In this video, we will be unboxing Bajaj ATX 4 750 watt pop-up toaster. The box includes a toaster, user manual, guarantee card and a lid. The toaster requires 750 watts of power. It comes with variable browning settings and a mid-cycle cancel feature that can stop the toasting at any point in time. The removable crumb tray of the toaster makes the cleaning easy. It has a high lift pop-up action and the presence of a top lid can keep dust from falling between the heat coils. The long cord in the Bajaj toaster makes it a kitchen appliance that can be plugged in anywhere in the kitchen. In the Best 2 Slice Toaster review, we chose Bajaj ATX 4 750 watt pop-up toaster as our top pick because during each stage it gave us consistent browning. The design features like top cover lid, the cord length and the slidable crumb tray are also the most appealing.